Several years ago at the Beijing Auto Show, Jaguar's lead designer Ian Callum told me that electrification allowed his team to explore new proportions when they design cars. This is what he was alluding to. It's the brand new 2019 Jaguar I-Pace, and it's the brand's first all-electric car. The I-Pace is a brand new type of Jaguar. It doesn't have the typical long hood, short deck proportions you would expect to find on an XJ or an F-Type. It's got a relatively short front end, and you can tell designers push the wheels out to the corners of the body to create a very spacious interior. They were able to do this because the I-Pace's electric powertrain is much more compact than a 4- or 6-cylinder engine. It's made up of 2 electric motors, one over each axle, and a relatively big 90-kilowatt lithium-ion battery pack under the passenger compartment. You can think of the platform as a skateboard, but no, this won't do a kickflip. This configuration allowed Jaguar engineers to give the I-Pace a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution and a low center of gravity. That means it handles surprisingly well, even though it weighs about 4,700 pounds. I drove this thing on a track, and it's pretty sharp. And while it wasn't designed as a true off-roader, it's not a Range Rover or a Land Rover Discovery, but it can hold its own off-road too. The average I-Pace owner probably won't go on the track, and they most likely won't go off-roading either. In normal driving conditions, the I-Pace is quiet, it's luxurious, and it's quick. Jaguar says it's got 394 horsepower and 512 pound-feet of torque, so you can merge on the freeway or pass with ease. Range is about 250 miles according to the EPA estimation. But the I-Pace isn't just an interesting design or a fast EV. This is also Jaguar's most advanced car to date. I've got in front of me a digital instrument cluster that shows the speed, the range, and navigation directions. I've got the screen for the infotainment system right here, and this is the panel for the climate control. You've got nifty knobs that you either pull or push or twist to set the temperature. The Jaguar I-Pace will reach showrooms this fall as a 2019 model. Pricing starts at about $70,000.